Guys, I'm Mahi. I hope that you guys are doing amazing. So as it is clear from the title, आज हम बात करेंगे affordable college outfits from Myntra. Basically आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कुछ outfit ideas, कुछ tips के बारे में जिससे कि तुम अपना कॉलेज का जो wardrobe होता है वो build कर सकते हो. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with the video. When it comes to like college outfits, I think it has to be comfortable, it has to be affordable, and yeah, you should just feel happy and a little bit of fashionable as well if that is your thing, but most of it should be the comfort because तुम्हें काफी like long hours के लिए वो पहन के रखने होते हैं कपड़े. So first tip I will give is that invest in like a good pair of jeans. Here I am wearing like this one pair of jeans which is like wide legged and is super comfortable. I'm gonna link this one down below and you get the idea, right? Just invest in like a good pair of jeans. Next thing I feel that college girls should invest in, and I think this is like the most comfortable clothing ever, are oversized shirts. I think oversized shirts ke saath you can never go wrong. These are like super comfortable and I think these are my go-to comfort clothing forever. And if you just pair it with like a tank top and like again your comfy jeans, you are good to go. You are good to slay the day. And then I feel because college jate to you have to carry like a lot of things, so a big tote bag or like a canvas bag is a good option to go for. First look, I have paired this shirt which is like a black and white striped shirt. This one is like super oversized and I've paired it with like a basic black tank top and jeans, and uske niche maine flats pehne hain and I have paired it with like a canvas bag. As you can see, this combination is quite basic, so you can just amp it up a little by pairing like a watch or some kind of jewelry. Like a minimal jewelry goes a long way when you're in college and you have to wear the outfit the whole day. Someone who doesn't like boring colors, then you can add a pop of color by using just an oversized shirt, which is again super easy to do. And both these shirts are like super affordable and linked in the description, so make sure you check out the description below. Next tip that I have is just invest in basic colors and basic t-shirts. Do not go for a lot of prints basically when it comes to your t-shirts or tops, क्योंकि फिर तुम उसको बहुत बार रिपीट नहीं कर पाओगे. एंड आई थिंक कॉलेज इज ऑल अबाउट रिपीटिंग आउटफिट्स. यू हैव टू stay on a budget and just make the most of it. So here I have two options for you. These are again very basic. This is like a very basic t-shirt and I personally love like bodysuits, so you can always like go for like a bodysuit instead of a t-shirt. This one again is super cool. Look at the color. I think ये तुम्हारी कितनी तरह की jeans, कितनी तरह की outfits तुम इससे create कर सकते हो. But here I have paired it with the same pair of jeans. I'm just giving you an idea कि तुम एक jeans एक हफ्ते में, like these are actually 1 week of outfits that I have created here. Okay, and तुम देख सकते हो like we have created different looks with the same pair of jeans, so you don't really need much bottoms in your wardrobe when you have to create like college looks. So yeah, this is the bodysuit that I've paired in this look, and I've styled it with like flats and a backpack. This backpack looks really cool with this basic outfit, and again the bag has some kind of gold hardware, so I'm going with a gold watch and gold accessories overall. So I think mostly if you're styling basics na, it depends कि तुम उसको accessorize कैसे कर रहे हो, so make sure that you take care of that. Next outfit that we have is with this t-shirt. As you can see, मैंने काफी ज़्यादा accessories भी नहीं change करी है इस वीडियो में, to just give you an idea कि तुम कुछ चीज़ों में जो basic चीज़ें होती है उसमें तुम पैसे लगाओ and you are sorted. Again, I paired it with like a black belt, black bag and some flats. And the last tip of the video, which I think you know already what I'm going to talk about, is short kurtis. Short kurtis are so comfortable and they look so cute, you guys. It just reminds me of every other college girl, okay, because everyone is like wearing this and super comfortable in it. It's like a unsaid college uniform, I feel. And Myntra has like tons of options for short kurtis, but here in the video I'm pairing this black and white short kurta again with the same jeans and a canvas bag. This time I have paired this kurti with like very small silver jhumkas and a kada in my hand and a watch in the other hand. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. सारे links description में है.